In this video, we will show you how to replace the band on your Forerunner 745 or Forerunner 945 LTE. To replace the band, you will need your watch and the replacement band kit. This kit includes new bands, an extra set of band pins, and a tool to help with removing and installing the bands. To purchase this kit, visit Garmin.com or visit the links in the description of this video. First, we will remove the old bands. Start by inserting the tool between the band and the watch casing. The tool will fit into the notch on the band pin. Pull the tool away from the band to compress the spring bar until you are able to remove it from the watch. Repeat this process on the other side of the watch. You are now ready to install the new band. We'll start with the buckle side. The buckle side attaches to the top of the watch. Align one band pin in the watch casing. Use the tool to depress the spring bar in the band pin until the band is able to snap into the other side of the case. You can follow the same steps to install the adjustment side. If you have Garmin Quick Fit bands that are compatible with your Forerunner, just install the pins that came in your band kit. Once you have removed the band using the included tool, install the extra set of band pins to the watch. Once the band pins are installed, you can attach your Garmin 22mm Quick Fit band. And that's it! You can now change the band on your Forerunner 745 or Forerunner 945 LTE. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.